In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the runner-man drill for your single leg balance and stability. This is a fantastic progression from those single leg stances with no movement, as now we start to create movement whilst also trying to stabilize on the standing leg. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have my left leg in this example as the standing or stabilizing leg, and my right leg is going to be the one that comes through range of motion. So what I want you to do is adopt this stance here that I've got, which is a split leg stance. One foot is in front of my body and the other foot is behind. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring my right hand and my knee up at the same time, but I'm going to start off with my left hand forwards. So what I'm going to do once I come into this stance is switch the hand position, stabilize and come back. Switch the hand position, stabilize and come back. One of the really crucial things that you're going to want to do on this one is try and find a mirror that you can look into and look at the feedback of where your standing leg's knee is. So for example, if I'm in this position and I come into the movement, I want you to be stabilizing but also looking at what your knee's doing. Is it coming too far in? Is it coming too far out, or is it tracking nicely in that position? If it's tracking nicely, great. If it's going either side, try to improve that over time.